Hi guys, let's take a look at using the round function in Excel. Open Excel and zoom in so you can see everything easy, okay? Like that. So you have the cell A1. So type in here now. Equals assignment operator. That means put something in a cell. Type in ROUND. That's the name of your function. A function is nothing behind the scenes but a block of code. You gotta feed stuff into it so it can spit an answer out for you. It's a block of code. But for you, it just means round. It's a name. Parentheses. That's part of the syntax that's required. If you do this, you're going to get an error. So this, then it says numbers. That's a number to round. So we'll say 123.456. Just make up a number. And it says after that, num underscore digits. It's the number of digits you want to round to. So let's say, for the sake of simplicity, I put 1 and I do this. So like if you do this, for example, it gives you 123.5. So one more time. Because this says 1, that means it's going to look at a 5 and it's going to make the 4 into a 5. So it becomes a 123.5. Okay, pull this down to another example here. So equals round 123.456, and then it's going to do here something, put a 2 in here. That means 2 digits after the decimal point. So it's going to look at a 6 and say 6 is more than 5, so it's going to turn the 5 into a 6. So it's going to be 123.46. 123.46, you see? You can also do calculations in here. So equals round. If you just try to do something like this, for example, like this, that's not going to work. That's an error. You need the parentheses. They're part of the syntax. So you can't just do that. If you try to do something like this and you hit enter, it's just going to give you the text. That's all. Just use text. That's not a valid call to your function. That's not how you invoke it or call it or use it. So equals round parentheses 234.47 65, whatever, it doesn't matter. I make this to 3. Make this into 3 now. So it's going to make 3 decimal places. So it's going to look at this 3 now. It's going to say, okay, that's less than 5. So it's going to keep the 6. It's going to give you 234.456. Hit enter. 234.456 equals round. You can do a calculation in here. You can do 1.2 divided by 4.5, comma 1. So this means you're going to divide. The result will be rounded, and then the result will be put into the box for you to see. So hit enter. So it divides 1.2 by 4.5, and it rounds the result to one number after the decimal point. Make it 2 numbers after the decimal point. So this means divide these 2 numbers and round so that you see an answer with 2 numbers after the decimal point, 0.27, and so on. You can do things like this, equals negative round, and then 5 point whatever, make up a number, divided by some other number, comma 3. So what is this going to do for us? Make this even 4, why not? Who cares? It's going to do the division for us. It's going to round to 4 decimal places, and then it's going to make it negative in that order. One more time. Carry out the division, carry out the rounding to 4 decimal places, and you're going to negate the result and put that in a box. So hit enter. Negative 1.2487. So I hope this is helpful to you. Leave a like if it is. Thanks.